Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in this video I'm showing you how to add an IDM extension in Google Chrome. So IDM, translation is the Internet Download Manager, is a really cool client for downloading files and actually also capturing files and downloads from your browser. So firstly, the general explanation. So as a start, I'm just going to explain to you how this works. So you can actually just download the app, and when you download the app and install it, it actually will download also the IDM extension for your browser, right? So it supports browsers like Chrome, Firefox. I'm not sure about Opera and all that stuff, but Chrome and Firefox, the most downloaded browsers, are definitely supported. So when you install the app, the extension for your browser will be automatically installed. If it did not, we can just type in IDM Chrome extension right here, and guys, you can download it from the official store, or you can try and get it from this site. It's not here, I don't think. You can just click on this link below, and as you can see, we have a lot of users, 18 million. That's huge. And then just press add to Chrome. Okay, accept these rules, right, and see what kind of permissions it will have, and then add extension. And after that, you can just restart your browser, start your download again, and everything should be working properly. So that's it for this one. Enjoy downloading your files, and see you in the next one, guys.